Hey everyone, it's Juan, and I've got a couple of important things to cover in this video today. So I'm gonna jump right in. But first, if you don't already know me, I'm Juan Guerrero with Your Personal Best Training Studio, where my team and I help men and women over 50 to move better, feel better, and age actively. Okay, so we all know that exercise is an important part to our overall health. So I am very excited to announce that we have a brand new free resource for jumpstarting your cardio fitness. It's the 8-week beginner 5K training plan or get moving walking plan. And you can grab a copy of it right now by commenting down below. It's perfect for beginners or if you're just looking to jump back into your fitness routine. And there's no better time like right now to commit to your health and fitness. Okay, I see a bunch of people making some big mistakes. So let's talk about avoiding some common pitfalls that can happen when you ramp up your walking, jogging, or even your running routine. All of these activities can be amazing for a lot of reasons. They can ramp up your fitness fast. They can help to clear your mindset and mood. They can help to get you some vitamin D and some fresh air by doing it outside. And they are great for your long-term health. Plus, the only piece of equipment you need is a good pair of shoes, and you can do it pretty much anywhere. But there's one important thing to remember. It is to start off slowly and ignore that little voice in your head if it's telling you to do more before you're ready for it. That's because more than half of all runners get injured every single year. And one of the top reasons is because they overdo it by ramping up their routine too soon. This is something important to keep in mind when you start working out, either for the first time or after a layoff. I'm implying it to walking and running, but it really applies to almost anything. You can get so motivated that you push it too far and end up with aches and pains that leave you on the sidelines, which is an exact opposite of what you want to do. It can take time for your muscles, tendons, and joints to get used to the walking, running, or any weight-bearing activity. So even though your cardio system might be ready for a longer or faster workout, that doesn't mean that the rest of your body is. Just remember, being consistent is one of the best ways that you can guarantee getting results. So taking a slow and steady approach is definitely the way to go. A general rule of thumb is to steadily increase your workouts by 10% a week. If you feel ready for it, of course. If you are following the schedule in the 8-week beginner 5K training plan or get moving walking plan, you'll notice that the workouts very gradually ramp up and give you the time that your muscles need to recover. It's all about consistency. Steady and slow improvements will help you reach your goals so much faster than pushing yourself through the routine. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon.